Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your payment card on your Audible account. And if this video has been helpful, I'd appreciate a like and subscribe to this channel. So I'm logged into Audible on Google Chrome and basically go up to Hi and then first name, this is your account section. Go down to account details and then go down to manage credit cards. So I've just zoomed out so you can actually see a little bit more information. Basically, each of the credit cards are here. I'm going to blur all of the information out, but you can actually come down here to this button and actually press the black button. It says add a credit card. You can click in there and then add the card number, the expiration date, the CVV, the full name that appears on your card, and then a billing address as well. And then press this once you've completed all of that information. Press add payment and that will add another card that you can select from. But these are currently all of the different credit cards that I have right here are linked to my Amazon account, and I can actually toggle in between them. Instead of this dot, I can select this one right here and start paying with this individual credit card, or maybe this one or this one. And you have a lot of different options about switching credit cards or debit cards on Audible. So guys, hopefully this video has been helpful. If it has, I'd appreciate a like and subscribe. And if you do have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks very much.